Alright, welcome back to Darkmatter, guys. So this is the drone that we built the other day, a 7-inch with the Darkmatter Stack 450 here. Right, it looks good. I had to use an extra battery strap to mount the big fat battery that we're using, and we have the sick telemetry radio antenna also mounted in the battery strap. Well, if it works, it ain't stupid, right? Okay, today we're gonna do something very novel. I don't think there's a lot of people who have done that. I didn't find any YouTube videos, so here this is a ROG Ally. Okay, and we have connected the sick telemetry radio to a USB. You can see it's blinking because the drone is not powered on right now. So let's just power it on. Alright, now you can see that it's still blinking. Okay, it's constant. Now we go into the mission planner and we try to connect it using sick telemetry radio. Okay, connection failed. This happened earlier as well. Then I had to replug the sick radio into Ardupilot into the ROG Ally, and then it had connected. Right, now it's there's a green LED solid and a red one is blinking, which means it's getting Mavlink data. So I press connect, and it looks like it is connected or connecting. Okay, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into actions and we're gonna go into joystick and we're gonna go back into gamepad mode. Now we have set the joysticks as such that the first channel is the roll axis, the second channel is the pitch axis, the third is the throttle, and the fourth is your yaw axis. Right, and we have set some buttons for arming and disarming. This button right here is arm, and this I've kept as disarm because I'm used to my standard flight radio, like the radio controller that we use, and we use this button to arm and disarm. So in an emergency, if I have to disarm, I have to press this. And these four buttons we have kept to change mode. So one would change it to stabilize, one would to altitude hold, another on loiter, and another on automatic mode. Right, and I've kept this button, this over here, as the motor emergency stop. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna enable this. Right, and it is enabled. Now if you can see here, it says stabilize. Right, now on this button we've kept loiter, on top button it's the alt hold, left X button is auto, and bottom button is RTL. Okay, so now we go into the plan tab, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a small mission, right? And what is this? Okay, let's keep this. What? Oh yeah, I need to change the home location. Where was that? Set home here. Right, first waypoint, second waypoint, third waypoint, fourth waypoint, 5, 6, 7. Right, and then we need to do a lighter circles, and we're gonna change it to 9. Okay. And this looks good, I guess. And radius, it should be, I don't know, 10. I have no idea how it works. Well, I guess we'll find out soon enough. Right, so we have the loiter radius of 10. Okay, this matches the radius, I'm guessing. This is 10 meters, and what is this? That's it, I guess. Altitude 10, 20, 20, 20, 20. Then we are gonna do a RTL. After the loiter, we're gonna do a return to launch. And I think this should be fine. So we are going to write this. Okay, it is written. Let's try to read to confirm. Okay, you can see the mission now that we've planned for today. This is going to be how many? 7 waypoints, and then there's a loiter of 10 turns, 9 turns. Then we have the RTL, right? And RTL should bring it back to the home location, and we should be fine. And it is red, so it's working. Now we go back to data, and we kind of, let's see, what is this? We're here, we're here. So let me just zoom in there. Okay, it's telling me that it's on. I need to. How much battery do we have? We have 16 volts. I think we'll be very fine with this mission. For 16 volts. Zoom in here. Okay, so I guess we are ready. We will head out, and there's going to be another special thing that we're going to be doing. So give me a second, I'll show you. Let me just unplug this first. This. We are going to disconnect. Alright, so here we have the stack 750 inside, and what I will try to do is I'll try to make a video of that drone using this drone. So what we will do is that this one is going to fly autonomously, and we are not going to use a radio to fly it. We will use the SICK radio to fly it, and our ROG Ally, like I showed you before with the joysticks and everything. Alright, see you there. Alright guys, we are at the location. Here is the Ally, and with the SICK radio hanging, sadly. And I will mount for that. The drone is plugged. Now what we're gonna do is again, okay, so we're gonna move this to control to gamepad mode, and we're gonna try to connect. Lost joystick. All right, we're gonna try to connect, and it looks like it's connecting. So meanwhile that connects, and you can see the drone is there. It's getting the GPS locks as we speak. Okay, it's connected. It says not ready to arm. There is no, what is there? We go to, okay, check magnetic field. That is that's an issue that I get, but for some reason I don't know, it goes away after the lock gets better. We're gonna go to joystick. You're gonna see the corresponding buttons are working. You're gonna enable it, and now the joystick is enabled, but the drone is saying check magnetic field. So usually the thing has a way with the time, but it also sometimes helps to relocate the drone to another place. Just take some time. Okay. Meanwhile, we will have other drone. This one connected to the radio. Alright. So the GPS lock is good now. As you can see, it says disarmed over here. I think you can barely see, but yeah. So now the thing is enabled. This is loiter, this is alt hold. So to arm, we need to pull the throttle down and press the arming button, and it says armed. Now in altitude hold, you just need to lift off, gain some altitude, and switch to loiter. So now you can see the drone is loitering according to us. So we will let it loiter here. Meanwhile, we're gonna go and arm the other drone and plug in the other drone. The first one is in loiter. There was some slight GPS drift and moved some position. You can hear that Mario power up sound on the Blue Jay firmware that our ESC is running. We're gonna start the recording on the GoPro. You like the GoPro? But before we fly, we will time it so that before we take off, we switch the 7-inch drone to auto mode. Alright, and switching to auto in 3, 2, 1, auto mode.